Welcome to another Art Deco video. We are entering a new month with a new series. Today, we will share to you part 1 of a 3-part series of transforming a bedroom. Stay tuned as I transform this dresser. Congruent to Art Deco's values, we prefer not to throw away old furniture but rather repurpose them. And this is one prime example. Let us start the process. So step 1 is to remove all the screws in the dresser. And always make sure that you label everything you take out just to make sure you can put everything back together. What I did next is sand all the surface area of the dresser. It is important to sand it because if you don't sand it, the paint has no place to stick on. I'll be honest, prepping takes the longest time in the painting process. However, prepping is the most vital part of the painting process. Next one is priming. The reason why we prime, even though this takes longer time, is because we want our furniture to last long. We want it to withstand the everyday abuse of life. So priming helps the paint to stick on better, and especially with the current furnitures nowadays that are made of particle board, it is important that you prime, because if you don't prime, it is really hard for a paint to stick on those type of surfaces. While waiting for the primer to dry, I'm spraying the cabinet handles with a rose gold paint. That is the color that Abby picked, which is congruent to her design idea. After a few hours, the primer is now cured. My next step is sanding the surface to make sure my paint will have a smooth place to stick on. You can pass on this if you want to save time. However, if you prefer to have a beautiful finish, make sure to spend time on sanding it. It is a blessing to have this paint sprayer, as it is a time saver. However, if you don't have any paint sprayer, don't fret. It's okay. You can use a paint roller. However, just make sure that you allocate more time, as that process does take longer. Finally, the paint is dry, it's fully cured. Now, the best part of rebuilding a furniture is putting everything back. Again, labeling is important because labeling saves you time. Look how quick I put everything back in a few minutes. And voila, here's the result. I want to give Abby a round of applause because this color combination is amazing. When she told me that she wants this dresser to be black, I was like, huh? You want that to be black with rose gold? But no. Now I see how beautiful this combination is, and I am happy for this to be part of this project. Our next project next week will be this office area. We cannot wait to share to you how this room will turn out to be. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.